and welcome to a new video here on my channel. If you guys are new here, then welcome. My name is Evelina Forsell. I am from Sweden. I'm 24 years old, which is weird because I feel like I'm 15. And yesterday I was out in the sun for like 30 minutes and I got burned. Yep, that's my life. That's my pale Swedish skin saying no to sun. Today I am so excited because we are going to try out the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette. This is the new like summer collection that Jeffree Star Cosmetics launches. So they have this huge Jawbreaker pressed pigment and eyeshadow palette. The colors are just so amazing and I'm so excited about it. There's not a lot of palettes that actually makes me so excited and happy to just see, and I'm so excited to use it. This is one of these palettes. I'm so excited to finally try this out. I got it just a few days ago, but I've been celebrating midsummer here in Sweden, so I've not been able to use it yet. I also got the Mini Breaker eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks. And I really want to use this as well, but not for this video. I think I'm gonna use it for like a Insta video or something like that, so be sure to follow me on Instagram. Then I also have 6 of the new liquid lipstick velour lipsticks, and they are looking really cute. I am most excited about this green and I think we're gonna use it today. I'm so fucking excited because in a few days I'm gonna see 1975. Sorry, why am I saying fucking all the time? Alright, I'm really excited. I'm going to the Lollapalooza festival here in Stockholm. I'm gonna see 1975. I'm gonna see my fave Creole that you guys don't know about. Billie Eilish will be there, Lana Del Rey. And I'm just so... Even like Bring Me the Fucking Horizon is coming. And I'm really confused. But I'm excited to see all of them. So yeah, be sure to follow me on Instagram again. Woo! Now we are going to... Oh my god. How am I going to choose a color? I do not know. I mean, I have been using so much blue lately, as you guys know, and pink, so I'm thinking I'm gonna stay away from those two colors. Maybe I want to use sour and cute. Maybe this one called fuck, because it's obviously the word of the day in my life today. Yeah, I did just record a video featuring the palette and it turned out like this. Does look really bad. Absolutely horrible. Okay, not horrible, but it wasn't good, so I'm gonna do it again. In the last look I used fuck, cute, wow, and sour, and it's just really not my kind of colors. I felt like they were pigmented and very nice looking, but it just wasn't me. But I was thinking that I should still use sour on the lid, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with raspberry perhaps. So let's just start with sour, the green one. Alright, so I'm going to start with this color on my lid. Green is a color that I've never really used that much, but I think it's really cool. And I feel green and like lime green is such a trendy color right now. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade called Fuck. And I'm gonna use that as a transition color, perhaps, I think. I don't want this look to be a orangey red look. So I'm trying to use some colors that I'm not usually using. I actually really like this combo, I think. So I'm gonna use the same shade and use it underneath my eyes. I feel like why I'm having a hard time creating a look with this palette at the moment is because I don't want to use any of the red, orange, or yellows. And also there's not a lot of darker shades, I feel like, if you don't use the warm tones. So it's not a palette. I'm not saying that the palette is hard to use, but for me that doesn't love pastel shades and right now don't want to use any reds, then it's a bit of a struggle, I would say. I think I will have to use raspberry at least. I mean, it's not a red, it's like a raspberry red. I don't really know how to blend these shades well, so I think I'm gonna just leave it at this, and we are going to use something in the inner corner. And what will that be? I don't know. I always want to go for yellow, but I can't. You know what? I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bubblegum, this pink shade, in the inner corner, and we will just see. I mean, you gotta try. Okay, and now let's just try and use Snack on top of that to lighten it a little bit. Let's use a little bit of Snack underneath my brow as well. The green is actually really, really cool, and I'm really excited that I tried it out. And I really like the look. Although I'm scared that you guys will think it's boring, but like, this is what I want to do today. But we are going to make it a little bit more fun. We have the velour liquid lipsticks in these 6 new shades, which is also in the summer collection. Should we use this on the lips, or should we maybe use this here? I feel like this one is too basic, so not this one, but it's really cute, and it's called Fully Nude. The green one is called No Offense. Then we have this purple, which is like a tiny small specks of glitter or sparkles inside. It is called Purple Urkel. I don't know what that is. Maybe some of you guys know. I really don't like this periwinkle kind of pastel-y purple on me personally, so I'm not gonna use that. This one is looking really cute. It is called Yes Ma'am, and I mean, I love pink, but maybe not for this look, or maybe. Then this like strawberry pink, which is called Strawberry Crush. Doesn't suit the look, I feel like. And then we have another one that is like shimmery metallic kind of thing called Bronze Blood, and this is probably the only one that I will never ever use. Okay, I've decided that I'm gonna use the green for the eyes at least, maybe for the lips as well. I'm just gonna take some and put it on my hand that is already covered in makeup. Either if I should do some dots like on my nose, like for freckles, or eyeliner. I think I'm gonna go for freckles actually. Why not? Does it look weird? Or maybe you can't even see it, I'm not sure. Maybe I can use some other shades as well. I'm just gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty, the new Vivid Liquid Eyeliner in Wet Shirt, and do some dots or stars kind of. I am gonna go in with Yes Ma'am. There you guys can see, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of dots of pink as well because cute. I did do a look like this like maybe a year ago or so, I think, and I am back to loving it so much. That was a mistake, and that was a mistake. I'm gonna remove it, I promise. I think that we need to try this green on our lips, so let's just do that now. Okay, I mean, I think this lipstick needs 2 layers, but I'm gonna say right away that this is not my color. I think that it could look cool on someone that isn't ghost white, because it kind of just blends into my greenish, bluish skin. But yeah, I'm gonna apply some lashes and mascara and remove this lipstick and remove that little pink dot and that pink dot because that did not look cute. And then I will be right back and we will choose another lipstick shade. Okay, like that, the lashes are on. Super cute, and I think that this is the only shade that I'm willing to use today. Alright, so this is the finished look, and I must say it is really pretty. Although I cannot wait for tomorrow when I will play with the red, orange, and yellow shades. I'm sorry, but it's my favorite thing ever. Although the lipstick matches my jacket perfectly, and I'm so happy about it. Although I should say the green shade is absolutely amazing. It looks like acid. It looks like I have, obviously not, but like fake acid, you know, like Looney Tunes acid. And I absolutely love it. So I'm probably gonna use the green a lot this summer. I'm really excited about it. I'm so excited about this weekend. In a few days, I'm going to the Lollapalooza festival. I think I said, but yeah, like so many cool artists are gonna be there. If you guys want to see sneak peeks and what I'm doing at the festival, then be sure to follow me on Instagram, okay? Yeah. But a small review of all of the products. Love the lipsticks. You guys know I love all of the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipsticks, except for those that are metallic or glittery. And to be completely honest, I would really just only use these shades. The hot pink that I'm wearing, the nude, and the green. These ones I really like, but you guys know I have a hard time with purple. I have a hard time with these like golden shades and strawberry pink. Why would I wear strawberry pink when I can wear this pink? It just doesn't make sense. So that's for the lipsticks, but for the eyeshadow palette, oh my god, you guys know I've not been complaining about any of the shades. And yeah, like I love Jeffree Star's palettes. I love his products. I know some people don't love Jeffree Star, but I have a lot more problems with people that don't have vegan and cruelty-free makeup. Like that is my problem. This is not the problem for me at the moment. I know some people really don't love him, but this is the brand and I love the brand. If you don't like him and don't like his products, don't use them. If you are unsatisfied with my decision of still using his products, then I'm sorry, but that's that. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look. Please let me know if you guys want more videos with this palette. I am going to do a festival makeup that might have come before this video. I think I'm gonna record it tomorrow. I think I've sat in front of these huge lights a little bit too long. I feel like my head is just mush. So I'm gonna go now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that you will have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video, so be sure to subscribe. Okay, bye guys.